I've made a drink that will give you a happy feeling and bring you to a great mood. Lemons have been found to lower blood pressure, reduce stress and anxiety, and help us feel calmer overall. Apples contain phosphorus and iron and help reduce oxidative stress. This, in turn, helps cell regeneration, which is known to be adversely affected in times of stress. Apples will produce a calming effect, create more energy, and increase overall happiness. Strawberries apparently are the kind of product that makes you happiest. They are rich in vitamin C, which aids in the production of endorphins. Strawberries improve your mood, and it's not just because they taste good. All the seeds on the outside contain omega-3 fatty acid alpha-linolenic acid. That has been shown to improve people's mood. Two of the many nutrients found in ginger are vitamin B6, which can improve energy levels, and magnesium, which helps ward off depression. I've decided to share this wonderful drink recipe with you because when I drink this juice, I feel like I'm drinking a magical love drink. Let me know in the comments if you feel the same way when you drink it. I appreciate you watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next video.